Hey guys, the V again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. This is another crypto video about Troncase, and in this video I just want to take a deeper look at Troncase 2.0 compensation plan, and also see its full potential as the contract is just new, and we see how you can really benefit from it. So guys, this is the website for Troncase 2.0, and everything is here. You can check out the contract. I've already clicked it and opened it here. So if I'm to refresh, the contract looks so healthy. Within a few days, 17 million has already been deposited or as the balance, and just know that the contract was created on the 10th of July 2021. So if you look at the transactions, these are failed. Now this person must be running out of gas, that's and out of energy, as you can see here. So it doesn't have energy, that's why we have some failed transactions. So it looks healthy. People are depositing and it has grown in a couple of days. If you look at the analysis here, you can see it is just increasing and it is parabolic, which is a good sign for a smart contract. So let us jump into the compensation plan. So over 27 million TRX has been contributed to the plan, and this is my current bonus. So far I'm earning 1.3%. I'm holding, by the way, and I'm going to talk about that in this video. And over 11,730 participants have so far joined the platform. So this is just a new smart contract, and I know people are going to come in this smart contract and invest. So if you are a team builder, I know there is potential in building this and you can make it to the top. So I'm going to jump all this. Remember, the minimum contribution is 100 TRX, but you must be having at least some Tron in your wallet to cater for the transaction charges, and also be able to freeze some TRX like 50 Tron, so as to help in the execution of the smart contracts. Now, for those who don't know how to freeze Tron, I have a tutorial on that. You can check my channel and see that tutorial. Then the maximum contribution is 4 million and the total rewards is 200%, meaning that if you put in like 100 TRX, the contract will reward you until you get back 200 TRX, including your deposit. So this is where we want to look at today, the compensation plan. So Troncase has got 5 bonuses. It has got the basic reward bonus, it has got the person hold bonus, it has got the leader bonus, it has got the community bonus, and it has got the contract total amount bonus. So the basic rewards rate is 0.5% every 24 hours, and it is constant for all members. If you are an investor in Troncase, you will be getting 0.5% every day as a must. The contract has to give you those rewards. Then it has also the personal hold bonus. Here it says that when you do not withdraw your money or your earnings, your rewards rate increases by 0.1% every 24 hours, up to a maximum of 1%. So if we are to multiply that 0.1, in order to get 1%, those will be 10 days. So 0.1 times 10 days, that is the one which is the maximum. So it means that if you hold your earnings in the contract for 10 days, you'll get a maximum of 1% being added onto your basic rewards earnings of 0.5%, and you'll be getting 1.5%. That is after 10 days. So it has also the leader bonus, which is 0.1% additional fee on every time that platform distributes 1 billion TRX as referral rewards, and the maximum of the leader bonus is 0.5%. So it means that when the contract distributes 5 billion TRX in referral rewards, all members will be able to get an addition of 0.5% as a leader bonus. But before we go to 5 billion TRX, let us first look at 1 billion TRX in terms of referral rewards. This is a huge amount of TRX. It is a huge amount of TRX, and in my view, I don't believe we are going to get that leader bonus anytime now. So I believe it is going to take forever for us to achieve that leader bonus of 0.1%. Anyway, you are free to write what you think about it in the comment section, but I believe we are going to take forever to achieve this. So as per now, we can get the basic reward rate and the person hold bonus. This one I don't believe we are going to get it now. Then it has the community bonus. It says earn plus 0.1 additional reward for every 10 million active users on the platform, and the maximum it can go is 0.5, meaning that we can achieve this 0.5 when the contract has got 50 million active users. Now this one also is huge. Remember, in the first contract it ran from January up to July, and it only managed to get 199,000. No, it was 199,000 members in 6 months. It didn't even reach 200,000 members. So just imagine 10 million active users on the platform. So if the other one it took all those months to reach 200,000 members. So just imagine 10 million users. So I also believe we are not going to get this community bonus anytime soon. All members are gonna have to work hard to recruit the entire world into this platform so that we can get this community bonus. So the last one is the contract total amount bonus, which is 0.2% additional reward for every 1 billion TRX on the smart contract balance. Now guys, look here, we have only 27 million here, 27 million TRX. No, this is what has been contributed, but on the Tron scan, let me refresh. On Tron scan, on the contract, there is only 17 million TRX. So just imagine we have 17 now, and here it says for every 1 billion TRX on the smart contract, we shall get 0.2%. That is also huge. The last contract, I remember it reached 90 million. That's what it reached, if I remember very well. So I believe also we are going to work very hard in order to get this contract total amount bonus. So all in all, we have only 2 options at the moment. We have basic rewards rate and a personal hold bonus. So for a person who can hold his or her funds in the contract, you can get the maximum of 1% added, and then you add on 0.5%, which gives you 1.5% every day. So if you can withdraw like once in a month, it means that you will start getting 1%, 1.5% after 10 days. Then in the 20 days in a month, you will be enjoying 1.5% every day if you are to withdraw at the end of the month. Then when another month begins, you will be getting this 0.5 as this one builds up in the 10 days, and then after 10 days you will be also getting 1.5 for another 20 days, then you withdraw. So I think that's the strategy I'm going to use. I want to be withdrawing like once in a month so that I can enjoy the 1.5% every 20 days. So guys, that's it. I didn't want to talk about so much about this contract. For people who are building a team, there is an affiliate program here where you can earn up to 11 levels. Level 1 7%, level 2 3%, level 4, level 3 1.5, level 4 0.5, and so on. Hey, level 4 is 1. It goes like this, guys. So you can check out their social media handles, Telegram, YouTube, and email in case you have any problem with it. And for people who wanted refunds, I happen to do a video showing you how to do a refund, how to get a refund, and also how to fill the form. You can check my channel and see those videos there. So guys, that's it. For people who want to join Troncase, I'm gonna leave my link in the description of the video. Feel free to join, and we build this program for long term because it's only paying at most 1.5%. So I believe it is gonna be a long-term project for members to generate 2 times their Tron. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.